You're collecting data with Typeform, but organizing your work with Airtable. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, transform Typeform submissions into structured Airtable records automatically, turning responses into actionable data. Or when customers update their preferences via Typeform, sync changes to their Airtable profile instantly. Or even find and link related Airtable records based on Typeform responses for comprehensive customer insights. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Typeform and Airtable, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.